OK. So, welcome. Bienvenue tout le monde à la 25e édition de Course des Morts! On est là-bas. Thank you. Si, c'est à côté de là où Caroline travaille.
C'est ça, c'est juste l'intersection.
Cut him, cut him.
Tu prends une photo.
Right. Yeah, buddy. That's what happens.
Thank you.
646. There's the next one.
Thank you.
You gotta do it only on the skateboard or only on the tech deck? Only on the tech deck.
Only on a skateboard?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Get your head in the game, bro.
Go, buddy. Let's go. Chaud.
Comment tu te sens en 3 mots? Fucking bien, vraiment. Toi, 3 mots? Good.
Good. Return is co-op. Yeah, we have to go back.